Any favorite stories?
I mean, there's so many stories. I mean, once he won the election, like I'd be at work and I'd be down the hall, was in the matchmaking room, whatever, and my secretary would tell the president's on the phone. Fucking come running down the hallway and grab the phone, and he'd want to talk about the fight that was coming up, or the fight that happened. Or I'd be in my car and I'd answer the phone. It's like, "Hi, this is the White House. We have the president of the United States on the phone."
Yeah.
You know, that's a trip when that first starts happening, and then just to sum him up, this is the kind of guy that you want to talk about a fighter. This is the most resilient human being I've ever met. If you see the shit that this guy's going through publicly every day, and I'll call him on the phone as a friend and be like, "Hey, you good? How you doing?" Unfazed. Like nothing's going on. And he'll start talking to me about this and that and all this other shit. One time. There's only been one time. I've never talked about this publicly, but one time I called him and he was not good. He was a mess. And I've never heard him like that. And I've never seen him like that when Ivana died. The only time I've ever seen him fucked up. Obviously, as soon as I heard it, I reached out, and I have never. Look at all the stuff that's gone on with Trump, all the bad stuff that they say. They're trying to attack him. They're trying to ruin him. Unfazed. I called him that day, and it's the first time I've ever seen that guy busted up and not good.
But that says something that's the only time.
100%.
That guy is, walking through the fire.
He does not get rattled. He will walk through fire. He's an absolute savage.